To get premium WordPress themes, you need to visit this website. I've given the link in the description as well. Next, you need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, click on the monthly free files option. This website contains a lot of premium quality stock footages, templates, and WordPress themes. And every month, they provide some of these items for absolutely free. Now, you only need to check if there is a free item available for this month or not. As you can see, here is an e-commerce website template kit which is available for free. When you click on this template, it will take you to this page. On the right side, click on this live preview button. This will give you a preview of this template. This is an e-commerce template that is made using Elementor Page Builder. Now, all we need to do is go back to the website and then click on this download button. Next, you need to check this box and then again click on download. And this template will be downloaded into your computer. And then you can simply upload this template into your WordPress site and use it to design your website. So, follow the steps that are given in the video, and then click here to watch the theme installation process to WordPress. I will see you there.